guys, we're building the centrifuge. This is the model plan that we'll be following, okay? It's a step-by-step guide on how we build it. So we start with the base plate and then we work from step 1 right through to step 8. Does anybody know what the centrifuge is or what it does?
Yes.
What does it do?
It spins around for astronauts for the G-force.
It is, yes. So it trains astronauts so that they get used to the G-force for when they take off into space in the space shuttle. Okay, so it's that really heavy feeling and push back with the skin and everything that they feel when they're taking off into space. Okay, guys, who's looking forward to this? How about we bring out the kits? Here we go, guys. Here's a kit, step-by-step guide. You're very welcome. Okay, so what we need to do, guys, is we've got to make sure that we count in on the base plate for where we put the tech brick, okay? If we don't start with that, when we go to turn it on, it'll be all off balance and it'll spin out of control, okay? So we've got to start, we've got to count in on the base plate, and that's where we'll start. You got to make sure it's on the right spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's on the 5th one across.
Make sure you count the bumps on the top there, Jai. You might have the wrong piece. Have a count and then compare it to the one in the instruction book there. See how you go. That one has 8 and that one has 12, so we just need to swap them over.
So as you can see, we need the gear crown. Do you know why they call it a gear crown? Because the teeth are actually curved and they looks a little bit like a crown. Okay, so we need a tech plate, which is the 2x8. That one there. And have a look at the picture here. You just slide it on top. Look what we do now. We put the astronaut on and we connect it to the battery pack. Okay, and away we go. Look at that. Well done. How did you go with your build, Jai?
Well, I thought it was easier than I thought.
Easier than you thought? Oh, that's good. It's a lot easier when you're following instructions, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's next?
What's next? What you can do is modify your centrifuge. How does that sound?
Good. Fun about learning about space and...
Oh, that's good. I'm glad to hear that.
What else can we do with Lego?
Well, I'm glad you asked. We've got mosaic builds, which is the smaller bricks. We've got our 3D colour brick builds, and we've got our Technic builds. So all the Technic builds are motorised, so they move, and we've got our free play. So you can use your imagination.
And I'm here today with Michael and we're at Lego Central. Now, tell me a little bit about what you've made today.
Batman signal.
And you were having a bit of a competition, yeah? Having that competition with
Toby.
She's actually photobombing our interview right now. All right, I'm now here with Pavlos and Will. Now, these are unreal. I'm so impressed. What have you made, Pavlos?
Oh,
And how did you make him?
I followed instructions.
Very nice. And Will, what about you? Can you tell me what you've made?
Spider-Man.
Very cool. Favourite thing about Lego?
You can make whatever you want.
So true. And what are we going to make next?
I'm making Captain America.
Very nice. And what about you?
I'm making Spider-Man next.
Cool. Well, let's get to it. All right, now I've got Diesel and Amani, and we're just stepping up. Everywhere I go, it just keeps getting more amazing. What have you made today, Amani?
I've made the spinning Batgirl.
It's very cool. Now, for all the kids watching, can we show them what this does, Amani? It's pretty cool. All right, what is it? All right, now let's keep her going. Now, Diesel, what have you made for us?
I made a spinning Superman.
Cool. And how long did that take you to make?
1 hour.
1 hour. My gosh, you must have been building for a long time.
And because when it took 1 hour, I couldn't figure out, so I knew how it goes.
And what do you think your favourite thing about making Lego is?
It's really good. I actually like them
And why is it so good?
because they make a lot of stuff and you can build and make what you want.
Cool. Now, when you go back to your house, you were telling me you're going to make a 7-foot hotel. Is that true?
Yes.
Me, how are you going to do that?
I had to get a lot of Lego. It probably will cost a lot.
I think it will cost a lot to build a 7-foot building.
Yep, it will.
Oh, it tickles, it tickles!
Three, two, one, open. Action.
Hi, Joe.
What are your top 2 pros?